Okay, so Microsoft have done it again. Unfortunately, things are falling apart for Microsoft, I think. It's I mean, yes, I sang the praises of Microsoft last week. It was nice to see that they had actually fixed stuff. You know, stuff that was broken. And today, I seen another thing that was broken. And it's kind of crucial whenever you're using Windows. And that thing that was broken was the File Explorer. Yes, I can't believe it was that. I mean, yeah. So after, basically what's happened, after applying KB5051987, people have actually been having problems with the File Explorer. In some cases, the File Explorer fails to respond when trying to open folders such as the desktop, documents, and pictures. These are crucial directories that people need access to, whether or not it be, in your personal life or business life. I mean, these things are having probably the most important things relating to whatever you're doing with Windows. In some instances, the File Explorer, you couldn't open it. Whether or not you're going to be using the desktop shortcut or Windows search. And in other cases, clicking on folders on the left-hand side, like subfolders and things like that, produced no response. Then, if you're used to Windows, you'll probably know the Task Manager. The Task Manager basically holds all your applications from the likes of your web browser to any apps that you use. Basically, it holds everything, including, all the processes that are running. Basically, if you go to Task Manager and you see the Explorer.exe, it says it's working. But yet there was something frozen. Then Microsoft could have big issues. I mean, it's really not good. People rely on Windows so much these days. It's not nice that it's broken. I mean, for me, I use Windows on a daily basis at work. If Microsoft can't get something like File Explorer working properly, then that's not a good sign. I mean, I've got experience, and I've seen the File Explorer grow from the likes of Windows 95 until today. And it's really, I mean, it's changed, yes, but for it to become unreliable, it's not good. It's not a good sign. Businesses and people, we all rely on the File Explorer to be able to service stuff, whenever we need it. It's not likely that Windows is going to be done away with within businesses. It'd be nicer if I could use Mac or Linux, because I know, these systems are rock solid. I mean, if something's going to space, they'd probably send Linux or a Mac. But for something, I don't know if I could rely on Windows for anything critical these days. I would like to be, but I don't know if I can. Other than the File Explorer, people have been having problems with actually doing the particular update. Sometimes it would stop at 96%. Other times it could be stuck at 0 for several hours. So other than that, we have problems with the mouse stuttering. I sort of think I've felt that myself, actually. And then there was the camera, and the camera was undetectable. And then .NET apps can't be installed inside the Windows sandbox. And then there's going to be the taskbar, and animations were not working properly. If Microsoft were having problems with these sorts of things, such as the File Explorer, the underpinnings, even the Start menu. I've had that problem with the Start menu. if they've got problems like this, then something really needs to happen. And I don't like to say it, but needs to happen soon, because other people will be saying, "Hey, it's Microsoft, it's Windows, it's unreliable." I don't want to be saying that. I'd like to say, "Hey, it's rock solid." I mean, Windows I thought was bad before, but it's never been this bad. I used to like Windows XP. XP was a little reliable. Yes, in some cases it might have crashed, but not to this extent. So it's really ridiculous. I mean, every operating system starting Windows 95, 98, 2000, XP, Vista. Vista didn't even have these problems. Might have had its problem of its own, but I don't really think that I had that many problems. So Windows 7, no issues. Windows 8, okay, where's the start menu? Oh yeah, that's right, the Metro. It worked. It worked. I had problems with the webcam, but that could be down to maybe Lenovo having problems with the drivers. But never have I seen anything this bad before. Like I say, something needs to happen. I want to like Windows. I want it to be able to do stuff for me. I want it to be reliable. But unfortunately, it's Microsoft. It's all in their hands to be able to sort things like this. That's my Windows rant for today. And yeah, Microsoft, please sort it. Please sort it. Please sort it. Okay, so that's all for today, and yeah, I look forward to coming back tomorrow. Hopefully I won't bash Windows that much. Anyways, have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy.